you from
I'm, fr-
originally?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, sorry.
Bangladesh.
Jeez.
Do you
Oh,
know
that's so...
Bangladesh geographically? It's located just right up to India and Pakistan.
Oh, wow. Honestly, I'm so shit with geography. Why am I so surprised that Pakistan is so close to Bangladesh? It makes sense. I have no idea why, but my brain just thought they were just way far away from each other, like neighboring that
Yeah.
country. I
Yeah.
don't know why.
Do you know the India, Pakistan, China? Yeah, my country is just beside of them. Okay, so it's a small country, so densely population comparatively to our area. So
So have you visited anywhere else,
I
like in
just
the world?
yeah, well, to be honest, I like to travel worldwide, but I can't do this because of financial problem. But once upon a time, I've been to the India. I tried to travel, but all on a sudden, I got the problem. By the way, I can't be affordable to carry my traveling cost.
Yeah, that's fair.
Uh,
Honestly, same.
yeah, but so what do you do? May I know the profession?
Sorry?
May I know the profession? What is your occupation?
Probation.
No provision, occupation or work, your job.
Oh, work. I'm
Yeah.
so sorry. I'm very like under the influence right now.
It's okay.
Right now I'm in between jobs. I'm studying.
Yeah. Oh, you are doing a study.
So
You both are doing a study.
yeah, I studied dog grooming. Yeah, we're both studying. I studied.
Oh, okay, perfect. What do you want to be in the future after doing the graduation?
I want to be a dog groomer.
Sorry?
I'm a hairdresser for dogs.
Oh, doctor?
No, a dog groomer. So it's like a hairdresser for dogs.
Oh. Yeah,
So I
okay.
do dogs' hair, except hair.
Okay. Where are you right now? Is that your room? I say this house is made of wood.
Yeah, we're outside.
Oh, okay. So I like your tattoo. I like your tattoo.
Thank you.
Perfect. So natural tattoo. Natural tattoo.
It's Ellie's tattoo from The Last of Us. It's a game.
Yeah, you are both are two sister or you both are friend?
We're friends.
Oh, friend. I want to ask just like a society. So I want to ask about the Christmas as well as the Christmas is really so coming very soon. So what are you gonna do on the Christmas day?
Usually my family has like a Christmas lunch where we just have like a roast chicken from Coles, and we have some like coleslaw and potato salad, and we have like sausages and stuff because it's usually really hot around that time. And then we just like sit outside and have barbecue.
I want to ask a question. I'm sorry before asking this question because this happens. I got so many questions from my people, from my audience also. So can you ask to your foreign guests that sometimes we see foreigner get married to the different countries people, or even they want to make friendship. They like to make friendship with different countries people. So are you interested with that? Do you want to make friendship with any other countries people if you feel very, very positive to the boy?
I'm trying to. You were breaking up a lot. I'm trying to like think, just trying to think of what you said. Are you saying like to chat with people over the line and get paid for it? Is that what you're saying?
All right.
That is what you're saying.
So suppose you think you got a right person. He speak true, behavior really positive, and they don't have any discrimination inside their mind. So do you want to make friendship with the boy?
No, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So okay, that's all of my audience just asked me. This is the common question Me, I make a friendship with the foreigner. I said, guys, what do you think? What do you think about the foreigner? American, British, Australian, Canadian, they are really so restricted.